Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to delete Facebook page on mobile. On mobile app, tap the menu in the Facebook mobile app. It's in the upper right corner on Android or the lower right corner on Android. You'll need to be an admin of a page to delete it. Then tap the down arrow next to your name. This displays a list of the pages you manage. Now, tap the page you want to delete. This will switch your profile to the page you selected. Then, tap the menu at the top right or bottom right. This time, the menu of your page will open. Scroll down and tap Settings. This is near the top of the Privacy and Settings or the gear icon. Then, scroll down and tap Access and Control. It's under the Your Information header. Now tap Deactivation and Deletion. Choose whether to deactivate or delete your page. If you want to be able to reactivate your Facebook page at any time, select Deactivate Page. To delete your page permanently, select Delete Page. Tap Continue and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the deletion or deactivation process. Once your page is deleted, you can reactivate it and cancel the deletion within 30 days. You'll be prompted to confirm your Facebook password before your page will be deleted. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.